The first question comes into our mind when we are buying a solar panel, that is, which brand shall we buy? In India, there are many brands. How do you know good brand or a bad brand? Hopefully, this video will help you to make a good purchase. You should always keep in mind that the solar system is a long-term investment. Hence, there are many aspects you have to take care. Let's talk about Tier 1 solar panel. A Tier 1 solar panel is a panel that made by a manufacturer that has been rated as a Tier 1 by a reputed independent PV industry analyst. Tier 1 is the higher tier and means that the analyst who rated it believe that the module manufacturer score well on his lot of criteria including experience, financial position, manufacturing scale, deployment scale, durability and quality, technical performance, vertical integration, insurance and backing, and service and support. Let's talk about cost. This is probably the first factor people consider when comparing solar panel. The solar panel cost depends on many criteria. The size mean in wattages, the physical size also, even the brand and the quality of the material, the durability, it means the warranty period. A key guide to choose a solar panel is to consider the cost. However, it should not be the one and only factor to be considered. The most expensive panel might not be the most efficiency and probably not the best option if you consider the long term. The solar panel must have a long span. So it's more important to ensure a good quality system than choosing the cheap option. Let's talk about quality. This takes into consideration how the solar panel is manufactured and quality of the material used to build the solar panel. There are different types of manufacturer production panels that differ in quality, price, and efficiency. There are integrated solar panel manufacturers which control each stage of the production process. They put a strong eye on quality and investment into lot in research and development. There are each manufacturers that only assemble panels. They use more human production than robotics, but produce the most affordable panels. When you're choosing solar panel supplier, it is wise to check company's review, its history, experience, also see the company's clients. Let's talk about the efficiency. Solar panel efficiency is depend upon how much of the light the solar panel receive is converted into electrical energy and hence how much power your system will generate. The most efficient and most expensive is not always the best choice to get the most efficient solar panel. You should assess your requirements and find the panel that best suits your needs. This means not to underestimate but also not to overestimate your needs. Let's talk about temperature coefficient. This refers to the impact that heat has on a solar panel operational efficiency after installation. Since solar panel overheating accelerates their aging, the lower the percentage per degree Celsius. The durability. This could be an indicator of the manufacturer's confidence in its products. Usually, the solar panel have a 25 years warranty. If the manufacturer does not offer a long warranty period, it means their product is not very good and hence they don't want to take any responsibility. In this case, be careful and not to make a mistake by a tempting price. It is also important to probably maintain your solar panel regularly, clean to increase the lifespan. Solar panels are easy to take care and don't require much maintenance. Let's talk about this size. The size means physical size and the size in wattages. You should make sure to install the solar panel system that is big enough to fulfill your requirements, and also that you have to space required to install the physically size of the solar panel will vary depend to how power the system is and the type of solar cells used to build the panel. The solar panel watts are related to the output of the panel. For example, 200 watt panel will generate 200 watt per hour each hour under ideal conditions. There are different types of solar panels with different efficiencies, monocrystalline and polycrystalline. Both types of panels produces energy from the sun, but there are some key differences. Monocrystalline solar panels are generally, though as a premium product, the monocrystalline panels are a higher efficient. The cell is composed of a single crystal. The electrons that generate a flow of electricity have more room to move. As a result, monocrystalline panels are more efficient. Polycrystalline solar generally have lower efficiency than mono because they are many crystal in each cell. There is too less freedom for electron to move. As a result, polycrystalline solar panels have lower efficiency rating than monocrystalline. Let's see the comparison between the polycrystalline and monocrystalline. Cost. For monocrystalline, the monocrystalline modules are expensive than poly. Performance. Monocrystalline gives higher performance in low radiation, but the polycrystalline gives the low performance in low radiation. The area required. Monocrystalline requires a less area due to higher efficiency and higher wattage of the module. Temperature tolerance. Mono required low, poly required high. Aesthetics. Generally mono comes in blue hue, mono come in black hue, poly in blue. Manufacturing process. More waste with silicon generated. It means monocrystalline is having a large footprint, but poly are very low footprints because of no waste. The lifespan for both modules are 25 years.